What if your local neighborhood grocery store could also double as an electric vehicle charging station? That's what this startup is trying to do.
We have been in EV space for, we have been here since 2016, and we knew EV wouldn't scale without charging infrastructure. And this is the most persistent problem because electric vehicles have better ride quality, have better ride experience in petrol vehicles. The acceleration is there, the speed is there, and it's much smoother, no noise. You feel very good while driving an electric vehicle. And why do people take the test ride? They say I like it and then turn back. The only reason always is that what if I run out of charge somewhere, and this what if is hanging like a sword on the whole EV ecosystem.
According to a Niti Aayog report on EV policy, one of the important ways to make electric vehicles economically viable is to concentrate on providing charging infrastructure. The founders Yugraj, Dheeraj and Sameer realized this need for charging station in their first entrepreneurial effort. Kirana Charger was launched in February 2020 at the mobility event Move 2020 in London. Since then, the startup has received more than 2,000 pre-orders from over 60 cities and towns across India. With Kirana Charger, any local Kirana shop can be turned into a charging station. Much like the coin telephone booths of the bygone era, the charger occupies minimal space. In a time of financial uncertainty, the host shops can also earn some extra money. Each charger costs around 10,000 rupees, which is the only investment the host makes. From then on, for every charge, 80% of the revenue goes to the Kirana shop owner and 20% to the company.
Why Kirana shops? Because what is there on every street? It's the Kirana shops. And we wanted to convey to Kiranas that we have created a product for you. This is something, these are the petrol pumps of future, and this is something which is accessible. And the design philosophy also was aligned towards that. We made a product which could be installed anywhere with a basic electricity connection, because we didn't want Kirana guys to have to, do a lot of changes or take a new electricity connection for this charging station. And it had to be compact, and we are working to make it even more compact. But the idea is that it should fit in a small space. It is a plug and play solution, and it should work with any electricity connection.
If you want to charge your EV vehicle, all you have to do is locate the nearest Kirana charger on the app. EV users can locate, reserve and even pay using the app itself. The host can also keep a track of the bookings and transactions through the app. Shopkeepers need not interact with the customers as the whole setup is built on a zero supervision and zero interaction model. The startup has raised seed funding from Rakesh Saraf, Gaston Bilder and Kiran Kamiti.
COVID lockdown, it has had a very few positive aspects. But for electric vehicles, it has been kind of a silent accelerator, wherein, post-COVID, the numbers for EVs have actually started looking better than before. There are multiple reasons. One thing is that, EV inherently is cost-effective. So when you want to spend lesser money, EVs always make more sense. And when people are trying to avoid public transport, then low-cost EVs, cost of ownership is very close to public transport. So EVs have started making a lot more sense post-COVID. The idea for us is now to put one charging station at least on every street of every city in India.
So what will convince you to make a shift to the EVs? Better charging infrastructure, or is there something else? Let us know in the comments below.